Hello, have you ever baked a cake? You mix eggs, flour, and sugar, and with a little heat, you get a whole new thing, a cake. That's a chemical reaction. In a chemical reaction, the stuff you start with changes into something completely different. It's like a recipe where the ingredients transform into something new and often cannot be undone. Chemical reactions are happening all around us all the time. Here are some examples. When wood burns, the wood turns into ashes and smoke. That's a chemical reaction. When a nail is left in the rain, the nail forms a new reddish-brown substance called rust. That's a chemical reaction too. When you cook an egg, the egg changes its texture and color. You cannot turn the cooked egg back into a raw egg, so that's a chemical reaction. When you mix vinegar and baking soda, they fizz and create a gas. That's a chemical reaction. Sometimes it's tricky to tell if something has changed physically or chemically. Here are some clues that a chemical reaction might have taken place. A new substance being formed, like hydrogen gas and oxygen gas forming water. This is the biggest clue. A change in color, like leaves changing in the fall. A change in smell, like when food cooks or burns. Bacon. A change in temperature. The reaction might get hot or cold. Bubbles or smoke. When you mix vinegar and baking soda, bubbles are formed along with new substance. Light is produced when something burns or you light a glow stick. It's hard or impossible to reverse. You cannot unbake a cake and turn the cake back into its original ingredients. Chemical reactions are not just something that happens in a science lab. They're happening everywhere. They help us cook food, power our cars, and even help us digest the food we eat. So keep your eyes peeled for these amazing transformations. You'll be surprised how many chemical reactions you spot every day. Thank you for watching.